Today I'm going to be showing you the best alternative YouTube app to download on your smart TV. That's super good. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the best alternative app on your smart TV that's completely legit. Let's get started. First, open up a browser of your choice on your smart TV. For me, I'm gonna go on the Play Store and download the app called Downloader by AFTV News. It's the best and most easy browser to use, and I really recommend this one. After you're done installing it, go ahead and click Open on the application. Once you open it, you'll see the address bar on the top, and you have to click on it and then type SmartTube. After you have typed that, just go ahead and click this correct enter, and then click on the first link you will get. This is the first link. Please be careful not to click on ads. Make sure to click on this first link. Once you click on the link, scroll down and you will see download section. There is a stable release and a beta release. I recommend you to use the stable release because beta is very unstable and it will cause problems. So make sure to download the stable release. Once you confirm your choice, click on the stable release and then you will see the file downloading. Give it a second to download, and then once it's downloaded, you may go ahead and click install. Once that's done, you click install and then you will see a pop-up message saying that you want to install an unknown file. Go ahead and click on settings and then make sure you allow the browser you use to download. After you're done, click install and just wait for the app to install. It will only take about 1 or 2 minutes, so be patient. After you click install, click on open, and once you open, this is the app on your smart TV. As you can see, you'll see all your recommended videos, and on the top you can even add your own account so you don't miss out on your history and recommended stuff. As you can see, it will give you a QR code where you can sign in, and your account will be on the TV accessible. As you can see, there are many options like music, live, home, shorts, and block content, history, playlists, and your videos which you upload on YouTube. And the best thing about this app is you can even back up your data if the app data is lost. As you can see, you can do a local backup or a Google Drive backup if you want to restore the app's accounts and data. And not only that, this app also receives updates till now. If there's bugs, it will be fixed. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restore my backup through this, and as you can see, it will restart. Once it restarts, I will see my account on the top, which is my channel, and all the content and all my videos that I've uploaded. And let's go ahead and test the player here, the video player. As you can see, this is the video player. You can play in high quality, and there are many options like video formats, audio language, and video resolution. Many options you get on this app, so you're not gonna miss out anything that's on the original YouTube app on the TV. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.